house, man. Ruined his party. We was having a party, and one of the neighbors must have called the police, and here he come, man. Let me go ahead and get on out of here, Mr. Big Bull. Your friend on this end. Get on down. Smoke, bang. Big Bull, you ever been indicted? Hey, Big Bull, you ever been indicted? I haven't either, but I don't want to be. Hey, Big Bull, I've never been indicted, and I sure as hell don't want to be indicted, so let me go ahead and get on out of here and get my fat toes on the road before Mama indicts me with a doggone spatula across my backside. I'll see you. Bye.
Yes, on the chest. Me and Super Bowl man. Hello, Marshall Dillon, the man with the S on his chest. I got down.
Real good copy. Okay, Big Bull, man. Boy, you doing your shag nasty thing today, Big Bull. You forget to take your medication this morning? Hey, Big Bull, you forget to take your medication, boy, you smoking out here in the West. Take it easy, take care with a tip of the hat and a wave of the hand. The flagship station of the Skull Cracker Nation is going to ease off to the side of the band. I'll see you. Bye.
Got double L. Hey, Dillon, I got your back. 766 got down.